Hey everyone, today I want to show you how to create a clean fold in your book covers using a scoring board. It's a really useful tool, and I'll walk you through exactly how it works. Now, if you've never used a scoring board and scoring pen before, don't worry, it's really simple. Basically, scoring just means creating a nice, straight crease so your cover folds easily and looks clean and professional. The scoring board works kind of like a ruler with grooves, helping you make a straight fold. And these little tools? These are the scoring pens. You can choose between plastic tips or metal tips. Personally, I prefer the metal ones because they hold their shape better over time, especially with frequent use. You just run it along the groove to press a slight dent into the paper without cutting it. This makes folding much easier and helps prevent any cracking or wrinkling. Think of it like folding a piece of cardboard. It bends better if you press a crease into it first. That's exactly what scoring does. This scoring board is actually foldable, which makes it super convenient to store when you're not using it. It also comes with a cutter, which is a really handy bonus. Now, once you've scored your book cover, it should fold neatly like this. This is now ready for a perfect binding machine, and for that, you only need a single fold. But if you're using a thermal binding machine, you'll actually need 2 folds. Don't worry, I'll cover that in another video. And that's it. Super simple, right? I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and if you found this useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more bookbinding tips. See you in the next one.